So what percentage of athletes would you say are on steroids? Is it 100%?
Anyone that's ever beaten me.
Okay.
They're taking more steroids than me. I don't know. I wanted to test them, but not to do anything bad, but just in the name of science to see what people are running. You know, it's so hard to say because you train with people and they don't even tell you what they're on. I tell the world what I'm on and they go, look at you. You're not taking any steroids. So it's like such a secret thing. I personally think it's almost impossible to say, but occasionally you look at a guy and you're pretty certain, you know.
Yeah, the looks of it. But it could also go the other way. Certain people are just genetically built it, and they look like they are, and then there's probably others like yourself.
It's a self-defense mechanism because you'd rather assume that guy was on steroids than his genetics are so far superior to yours. You're like, nah, it must be steroids.
Yeah, that's the part of accusations of people being on steroids that I hate. It's like without data, people are just like, it's a way they can say that somebody's cheating without, because I like celebrating people. And sometimes people aren't on steroids and they aren't cheating and they're just fucking good.
What about Gabby Garcia?
I think she's beautiful, strong, and you're a lucky man to share the mat with her. You should be honored. And I'm betting a huge amount of money on her. So
me too.
Either way, you're gonna get paid.
She's paying 11-1.
I bet on love as well, so we are aligned in that way.
Love will prevail.